All right, guys, so we got BioEmblem. This is their bone health. You take a look here. This is the vitamin D3 and K2. So on the back, I do like to notate here, it is the help support. So it talks the heart, bone, muscle, vascular, immune, and antioxidants. So it hits all those systems when it comes to this stuff. Now check out the nutrition facts right there on the back. So you can definitely get in and see that. Tells you all the supplements and all the details with regards to it from an ingredient perspective and the formulation, where it's formulated at. It has vitamin D3, a vitamin K complex, and then your daily percentage value for it. What's cool about this? It's 90 capsules in this, and you're only taking one capsule a day. So let's go ahead and crack it open to see if they got any smell or anything to them, and also see if these are big horse pills or regular size pills. You got a nice outside piece as well as an inside, a little cotton ball on the inside, and then there you have it. Definitely a baby pill here. So that's kind of nice. You see it does have all the stuff on the inside of it right there from a pill perspective, but a smaller pill, which makes it easier. Sometimes people have a hard time with it. But again, just taking one a day to get up on your 2-in-1 complex from your vitamin D3 and K2. Nice product. BioEmblem has it good. Make sure you check these guys out. Check it out, guys.